Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. If I sound a little bit sleepy, well, it's because I am. Today we're going to talk about some Nvidia call options, or actually just one call option that I sold on Nvidia that's expiring this Friday. And if you didn't know, Nvidia had their earnings today. And right now the call option, at least in after hours, is in the money. We're going to talk about what I want to do with that call option and other things. We're going to take a look at my web app, any progression that's been going on. Before we get started, if you like this kind of content, I've been documenting me trying to sell some options for some time now, seeing if I can make that work as a side income. And if you want to follow along, hit subscribe. If you want to learn more about selling options and are interested in doing it yourself someday, I have a course for beginners. I made it pretty affordable. You can make this back relatively quick if you do decide to sell options on your own. So go check it out. It's down in the description. I really do appreciate you even considering it. And I sold a call option on Nvidia before earning, and I also sold a put option. So I sold an original, I think it was like $124 put option, and Nvidia kept going up throughout the week. So I actually just ended up rolling this a couple times up in strike price. Same expiration, but just gaining premium along the way. For instance, today I rolled it for the second time from $126 strike to $130. And it does look, if things stay pretty consistent, it does look like it's going to expire worthless. So I just made an extra 84 bucks today rolling this up. And this is additional to how much I made originally selling the original put. And then on the flip side, I also sold a covered call that also expires Friday at a strike price of $139. Once again, if things stay consistent, this is going to expire in the money, and these shares are going to be assigned to someone. And I've been debating in my head, come Friday, if these are in the money, do I want this to just be assigned to someone and I make the capital appreciation, because I bought 100 shares at $129, so it's $1,000 in capital appreciation plus however much I made selling the covered calls. I've sold them for 2 weeks in a row now, so however much that ended up being. Or do I end up rolling this out a week and up in strike price, hoping to capture even more capital appreciation? I'm actually leaning towards the first option, just letting this expire and get assigned to someone. But, you know, options chain wise, if I look, things are going to drastically change tomorrow, but I can get right now, as it stands, $141 strike for $310, net 24 bucks, and then potentially make another $200 in capital appreciation just rolling this out an extra week. So that's the dilemma I have at the moment. I am probably just going to let it get assigned, but I might change my mind. You never know. And of course, I'll keep you guys posted on what I choose. As for my web app, yesterday, I went ahead and just made a statement strictly for yesterday, just to see how much I made yesterday selling options. So I went ahead and uploaded this file, and my web app analyzes it, looks at all the trades, and puts together the net premium here. So in one day, yesterday, I made 180 bucks almost in premium. I made 9 total options selling trades, and between the two ticker symbols, we can see I made $63 selling Nvidia options. I think this was rolling the original put option that I sold, which I then rolled again today, and then also selling some options on SoFi yesterday. And I added this pie graph that breaks it down by ticker symbol, so you can see how much went to which stock visually, like how much I made from each stock selling options visually and individually, if that makes sense. And here's all of the trades that I opened and sold yesterday. I didn't make a form today. Unfortunately, Robinhood's kind of slow when I create a statement. You have to submit your statement creation request, and then it takes like an hour sometimes to create the CSV. So I try not to do it too often. Usually it's weekly, but yesterday specifically, I just wanted to see how much I made. So I created the statement and ran it through my app here. So it's still a work in progress. We're getting close to adding a database to this so I can store reports as I save them, so I don't have to keep uploading them each time. I can just pull the data in, and some other features I have in mind along the way, and I'll keep you guys updated as things progress here as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it in terms of updates. Appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, if you want to help out the channel and learn more about selling options, go check out the course. It's down below in the description. And I hope to see you in a future video.